Damn. That was my camera sound effect, dog.
1973. Tragedy and despair have struck Central Texas. A young college student.
This is not a voice actor, dog.
Has seemingly vanished.
It's not the narrator.
She was last seen near the town of Newt more than 2 weeks ago. But with no physical evidence, the investigation has stalled. With few leads and even less hope, Maria's younger sister Ana Flores and a group of her closest friends set out to find their missing loved one. But any grief or sadness caused by Maria's disappearance would pale in comparison to the agony and despair they would soon discover. What awaited this group of youths was a nightmare beyond belief.
Yo, me personally, I wouldn't get killed. That's
Maria's
just me,
disappearance would be just one of the many bizarre crimes later known as the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Okay. Like me personally, I just wouldn't die. I wouldn't get caught. That's what I mean. Damn. Oh. It just makes you who you... Okay. Oh, I could pick someone else. I mean, no offense. Bro, as much as I love Texas Chainsaw and I love the rest of the family, it's like, dog, I'm playing as Leatherface. Come on now, bud. Oh, that's cool. You only got to use them a certain amount of times to unlock that stuff. That's fire. Dog. Yo, if he tries it again, I'm finna hop on the voice chat and be like, no. Alright, gotta learn on the spot. I'm not trying to let the family down, but that's what it might come to.
Authorities were alerted to Hellam's Ranch yesterday to investigate reports of cattle abuse, but what they found instead was disturbingly serene. The ranch was devoid of livestock. Instead, 13 men, all dressed in plain white clothes, were sitting in chairs spread throughout the property. Each one was wearing a simple rope belt and a pair of sunglasses.
Oh, come on, Texas Chainsaw Massacre. You're not gonna show it? Yo, I'm playing as the killer and I'm scared, dog. I don't know why. I'm not scared, but I'm just on edge, dog. I mean, I know no one's in here. I mean, I just started. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe I should have did the tutorial. Family. C. Shift. Attack. Ability. Interact. Oh, someone disconnected. Okay, Leatherface can't crouch. I imagine he also can't squeeze through that, because he's Leatherface. Ah, Jesus Christ. Damn, Leatherface, you are loud as hell, dog. What the hell? Coming for you. Thrust. Oh, okay. So the chainsaw, I see it's like, the bad part is the fact that they'll know that I'm coming because it's making noise. Yeah, see, like, yeah, there are so many spots they could squeeze through. That is crazy. Oh, come on, big dog. Oh, I see. Do I not have like a mallet or nothing? Gotcha. Damn, nigga, get through the. Okay, bro. Come back. Destroy. Like I said, I get it alerts them, but like, why would I ever stop it? I couldn't see you. I'm a killer. I'm sorry. Get her! Get her! Get her! Yo, I just that means she slipped past him. Oh my god, this is why you weren't in the movies, whoever you are. Oh, that was her. I thought that was okay, my fault. Grandpa isn't hungry. You better get hungry. Oh, wait, maybe I have to have 81. Not maybe it's not that I can carry 81. I have to have 81. Oh, never mind. Here. Ugh. Sounds of affection. I'm not. Ugh. He just grabs his head. Grandpa's finna nut, bruh. Yeah! 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 Did he just use a glitch on me?
What in the Sam hell are you doing to the house, you big oaf?
He's literally doing a glitch. That has to be.
I'm scared too far.
Oh, get her, bruh. Get her. Oh, yeah, you're done. I feel kind of bad.
If you just listen, I wouldn't have to do this.
I feel a little bad.
God damn it, boy. Look what you're doing to the house.
Damn, bro. I'm not gonna lie. That was an L on my part. Ah! I know what I said, but they showed up. Yes, sir. That's rough, buddy. Damn. Final victim.
Damn.
That's exactly what I said. Damn.
Holy shit, good one, dude.
Take it. Take it.
What's yours?
Yeah. Damn.
Wow, dude. This game is bullshit.
Oh my god, I'm not gonna lie, that was actually funny. Only because we both fell.
Bro, what the fuck, dude? That's...
Okay, oh my god. Alright, well, that was the Texas Chainsaw Massacre game. So pretty fun. I wish I had, like, you know, I don't know, people to play with, I guess.